Hello guys, today we are going to learn 5 Facebook awesome page tricks that will make your Facebook page look outstanding, increase user interaction, drive traffic and ultimately boost your conversions. Guys, Facebook marketing plays a very important role in your overall digital marketing strategy. Make sure you are leveraging Facebook organic and paid traffic to your landing pages. We shall continue making digital marketing videos on our channel, guys. So we will be giving you really cool tricks on how you can leverage digital marketing to generate leads, get clients and ultimately boost your revenue, guys. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't yet, that you get notified when we update new content. So let's deep dive into today's video and let's learn some awesome Facebook page optimization tricks. So the first tip is to include your other social platform tabs on the left hand side so that you can give a good impression to your visitors like this. So you can include your YouTube tab, your Instagram tab or other tab if you want. This is, guys, this is the older version of Facebook. Now Facebook has changed to the new version. Let me show you the new version where it's showing these options now. So you can always switch back to the new Facebook and this is how it is going to display you. Let me go to my page. So this is where your new tabs will show up, guys. Earlier it was showing on the left hand side. Now it will show exactly below your avatar, guys. So make sure you optimize these things. Let me show you how it is being done, how you can include the YouTube option or other tabs you want, even if it's Pinterest or other social media platform. So guys, these tabs will give your visitors an impression that you are available everywhere and they might interact with your other channels as well. Imagine a person coming up to your Facebook fan page and lands on your YouTube video and ultimately subscribes to your YouTube channel. So you have gained your Facebook fan page like also, and you have gained a YouTube subscriber also. The same person subscribes to your YouTube channel. So you are building your social community everywhere. You just need to show up these options here. So let me show you quickly how it's being done. So what you have to do, you have to come here in the search box and you have to search for YouTube tab. There are many pages like these, so make sure this one has a red background. And what you have to do, you have to click on this button, use app, and select a Facebook page where you want to include this YouTube tab, guys. So I have already included in many of my pages. So this is just for example. Let me select this page, Facebook, Mad Over Marketing, and you have to hit add page tab. So it will take 3 to 4 seconds to redirect to the WordPress API. Okay guys, so you will see an option here, use app. So you just have to hit use this app. As you can see, all of my Facebook pages that I am admin of, I am already using this app, so you don't have to worry. So just click the option here and come back to the page in which you have installed the YouTube app. Let me show you. So what you have to do here, guys, I'm working in the new Facebook display. So first of all, you have to come to the settings part, and from here you have to click on templates and tabs. And if you're not using, if you are, it depends, see, your current template depends upon the service, depends upon the sector you are in, whether it's a service or whether it's anything else. So you can edit it from here, guys. I would recommend that you should use services tab. From here, most of you might be using the standard option, but you can use the service tab. So you just have to click on the services option. As I'm already using this, so you just have to click on this and confirm it. Now let me show you where it will be shown, guys. I'm coming back to the page. So after installing the tab, you have to click on the templates and tabs and edit the template and use it as services. Now guys, what you have to do after selecting this, you have to drag and drop this YouTube option. I don't know why it is showing 2 times. Sometimes Facebook go crazy. For example, I want to switch this community option to the top. What I will do, I will just drag it to the top, guys. Make sure you drag this YouTube option on the second or third place, guys, like this.
right? And there is no submit for this. You just have to drag it and that's it. Now let me come back to the Facebook page. This is how it will be shown here, guys, next to your home option. So what you can do, you can search the YouTube option here. If you have not dragged this option to the top, if you're dragging this option on the top, that means it will show up here, guys, in the top three. Click on application settings, and this is where you have to input your channel ID, guys. Now you have to go to your YouTube channel option, guys. Now go to YouTube. Let me show you how to find your channel ID. First of all, you have to sign in with your email ID in your YouTube account. And now you have to go to settings option. And from here, you have to click on advanced settings. And this is where you will find your user ID, guys. Sorry, your channel ID. Just copy it and just paste it here. See, what is this featured video ID? For example, if you want to showcase any video on the top, for example, if someone clicks on your YouTube option, you want to show some premium video on your channel that displays something about your brand, right? That is something eye catchy. You don't want to show your standard video. You just have to show a video that speaks about your brand. So if there is any such video, what you have to do, for example, in my case, let me go to my channel. My channel name is Skill Seekers. I will go to the videos part. For example, I want to showcase this video on the top. What I will do, I will pause this video. I will just copy these URL. I will just copy this URL and I will paste it here. This will be your featured video. Facebook will show this video on the top when someone clicks on this option. Right now you have to just hit save settings. Now you have integrated your YouTube with your Facebook fan page, and now users might come to your Facebook page and they might also land on your YouTube channel and they might subscribe you. This is how you will integrate both of the platforms. So okay, now we are moving to tip number 2, guys. Tip number 2 is setting up your page profanity filter. Most of us are ignoring this option, guys, but let me tell you, this is a very important option that Facebook has given us and we are not leveraging it. What is profanity filter, guys? Let me show you what is profanity filter. How you will find this option? You just come in the settings option and this is where you will find this option, profanity filter, page settings option. See, profanity filter is blocking some words that Facebook thinks that they are spam words, guys. So when people include a word that you have blocked in your post or comment on your page, it won't appear on your page. So what is profanity filter? You can block different degrees of profanity from appearing on your page. We determine what to block by using the most commonly reported words and phrases marked offensive by the community. After setting your Facebook profanity filter to strong. By selecting this option, we have given a command to Facebook that it should block all the words that Facebook think that they are spam words and that is marked offensive by the Facebook community. But the story doesn't end here, guys. Let me show you how we can add more negative words that we think that are spam to our business and that might degrade our page quality if someone comments on our post. So it's time for tip number 3, guys. Tip number 3 is setting up some negative keywords in your block list, guys. So include all the F words so that when you are running Facebook ad and any user posts some negative comment, it automatically gets hidden. So you don't have to worry of deleting the negative comment. On the first hand, you should not make your ad copy as such that people post negative comment. In any case, if you still get any negative comment, use this technique to hide all of them automatically. Okay, this is where the third tip is add some negative comments. You will find the option as page moderation. Click on this option. As you can see, there are no words. So include all the F words, guys. I am going to give you the list where you can simply upload that CSV file and all of the words will be included in your block list. So let me give you some common negative keywords. You have to include these keywords here. And for example, scam is a negative keyword. So after inputting it, just hit enter and you can include some F words. Anyways, I'm going to give you the list that you can just upload it here. So this is how you can include some F words and some commonly reported words that you think that are spam to your business. When someone comments on your ad post, it will automatically get hidden by Facebook. So you don't have to worry at all, guys. So after uploading your file or entering some negative keywords, just hit save and it will show up here, guys. See, I have entered 3 words, it is showing up here. So now if somebody will comment like scam or fake or any F words, it will automatically get hidden on my ad board, guys. So this is a real cool technique how to block negative keywords and how to block hatred on your ad post. So the fourth Facebook page optimization tip is getting page recommendations. Guys, page recommendations are really important to your business. Why I am saying so? It is seen that Facebook sees page recommendations as a checkpoint for user experiences and it results in lower CPM cost, guys. Facebook page recommendations results in less CPM costs. So because Facebook thinks that users are having a good experience with your fan page, so it results in charging you lower costs for your ads impression. When Facebook sees that you are having good recommendations, it will lower your CPM cost, guys. So how we can get more recommendations? Go to the reviews option and you can always ask for feedback, guys. Let me show you. I might have some feedbacks. Yes. So you can share this link with your audiences or your customers. For example, if you have already fulfilled any customer, so you can share this link with any of your customer. I would recommend share it with all your customers that are having good experiences with your business and ask them to write a good comment on your Facebook fan page and give you 5 stars. It is a really cool strategy how to lower your CPM costs. Okay, now let me quickly move to our last tip for today, tip number 5. Tip number 5 is where most of us makes mistakes. Most of us includes a pic over here, your header image and your logo over here. If you are a startup, then nobody might be interested in your logo, guys. For the starting, for initial 2 or 3 days, you might include your customers pic, include pics or videos that you are serving your customers and your customers are happy about you. Nobody might be interested in your logo, guys. So I would suggest you make a video, shoot a video about your customers, about what is being delivered by your business. So this is one of my another page. So make a video around your business about the services that is being offered by your business or include your video. These videos lays a very good impression on your visitor, guys. Do not use a simple banner pic stating about your logos or your tagline. Believe me, nobody is interested in that thing. Everyone is looking for videos and videos are believed to have a higher interaction rate. Videos are having 5x more interaction rate than a simple banner pic. So include something about your business or include something about your customer, guys. It lays a very good impression. So these were the 5 tips about optimizing your Facebook fan page and how to increase your user interaction. We will continue making new videos and probably our next video will be on how to get unlimited Facebook ad accounts or business managers so that you never fall short of your ad accounts even if some of them gets blocked. So this is it for this video and I will see you in the next video, guys.